Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to set up hotspot on any Poco phone. Now to do that, just open the settings app. Now from here, just tap on portable hotspot. Now from here, make sure you enable portable hotspot. Now once you have done that, just tap on set up portable hotspot. Now from here, in the network name section, you can change the name of your hotspot. Just like that. Now once you have done that, now in the password section, you can change the password of your hotspot. Just delete the old one. Now from here, just enter a new password consisting of 8 characters. Just like that. Now once you have done that, just tap on done. Now as you can see, this is how you can set up hotspot on any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.